Hi, I'm Jonah from J & Cycles, and today I'll show you how to build this tool. This tool is to get out this rear Camchaintensioner out of a Twincam engine, and you can see this fucker is really fucked. So let's see how this tool works and how you can build your own. Okay, this is the tool. It's made of scrap metal, as you can see. Let's have a look how it works. So you have two parts, the lower part and the upper part. The upper part has a rounded edge. That's because you won't come into the back of the plate without this rounded edge, but you will see that when you're building it and testing it. So the lower part has a triangle welded on. It's just because you have to weld this screw onto it. The screw is to hook the tensioner here. The upper part had a tube welded on. This tube is cut in half. This is because the tensioner has to move around when you get tension on the tool. And it has this cutout at the top. This cutout, I would say, is the important thing of this tool, because when this cutout isn't right, the tensioner will always get loosened when you get tension on the tool. So this has a cutout, as you can see, and it's also cut out a little bit further, so at the top there will be this hook, and this hook is also a little bit bended into the inner part of the tool, because you can now see it, it hooks right into this part of the tensioner. When you don't have this hook, it will always come out. So let's see how it works. Put it together just with a screw, and then we put the tool in. Just hook it here and hook it here. Now you can see it's hooked here and here and here, and now you can get tension on the tool and put it right onto your cam plate. So easy as that, and have fun with it.